Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood API. This powerful tool allows for automated trading and accessing market data, offering exciting possibilities for developers. However, it is crucial to understand that this API is unofficial and may change without warning. To begin, you will need to set up your development environment, typically using Python, and install relevant libraries to facilitate interaction. Authenticating with the Robinhood API is a critical first step. You will need your account credentials and to generate an API key through the Credentials portal. Secure authentication typically involves obtaining an access token and often requires two-factor authentication, which you should enable. Always store your API keys, private keys, and access tokens in a secure, encrypted manner to protect your financial account from unauthorized access. Once authenticated, you can start making API requests. The Robinhood API offers various endpoints to access information like your account balance, current positions, and historical market data. You will use standard HTTP methods, such as GET for retrieving data and POST for actions like placing orders. After making a request, you will receive a JSON response that you can parse to extract the specific financial data needed for your applications. For advanced usage, implement comprehensive error handling and retry mechanisms to ensure your application remains robust. It is crucial to respect API rate limits, which are often around 100 requests per minute per user account, to prevent temporary access restrictions. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly monitoring your account for any unrecognized activity to safeguard your investments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.